Amazon Prime Day is almost over and these are the 10 deals that are my absolute favorite. So if you're only going to shop one list during the sale, make it this one. These pore pads have probably been my top seller for the past 4 of these Amazon sales. They are really great at retexturizing your skin, making it really smooth, minimizing your pores, and making your makeup go on flawless. This is the full coverage duo foundation that I cannot shut up about. It is an absolute power team. First off, you have the SPF full coverage. It goes on so well, helps protect your skin with anti-aging. But then this is the key right here. I usually mix them half and half or a little bit, maybe more of this, but this is going to help it apply like airbrush. It's a little bit of extra moisture, so it keeps your skin looking really glowy. And then throughout the day, it's not going to dry out as much. I'm pretty convinced I will never find another mascara that I will ever use. As an influencer, I get to try so many mascaras. Nothing compares to this one. I stopped getting my eyelash extensions and started going to this. It gives the length, it gives the volume, it stays on, it doesn't come off, it doesn't transfer underneath your eyes. It is the perfect mascara. I don't think I'll ever get over it. And during these sales, it's definitely the time to get it because the deals are so good. My functional doctor recommended these for my son, and I've been taking them as well. I don't think I will ever get over these. I take them every single day. First off, they taste so good, but I'm just gonna put it out there. I have never been more regular in my life. You're welcome. I even got my mom on them and I asked her, do you think they worked? And she was like, yes. So they're so good and on a really good deal right now. I am literally obsessed with this drain cleaner. We've only lived in our house for a year, so I wasn't for sure how much would actually come out, but look how much came out of our sinks after only 1 year. This stuff works incredible. I don't know about y'all, but I hate taking pills. I hate all these hair vitamins that you just have 4 huge pills per day. Working on my hair health this year, really focusing on it for my natural hair to grow out healthier. They are on a really good deal right now. This will forever be a favorite of mine. I've used it religiously for the past few years. Anytime I'm sweating a lot or wearing sunscreen, I feel like my pores are just getting kind of full. Put this on, completely cleans your pores out. Before I knew this was a viral face mask, I got it in the mail, tried it, was obsessed with it, had no idea it was a Kardashian favorite. It is so good, it does the job. I will forever use this, and it's on an incredible deal. These eye masks are incredible. I started loving them and then seeing on Instagram all these plastic surgeons rating them their #1 eye mask. They have retinol, collagen, all the good things for rejuvenizing, depuffing, and then anti-aging as well. So good, such a good deal, very affordable, and are some of my absolute favorites. This countertop spray will make your entire kitchen smell so luxurious and unique. It's safe for your countertops, but also safe for your house. It's made in Europe with European standards, so it's a really great quality product. It smells so good. The whole point of the Preston Lane line is to be luxurious, yet affordable at the same time. These 2 products have been my holy grail morning routine. I slather on this jelly, has hyaluronic acid, all the things to really plump your face. I put a very thick layer, and then I use my booster, turn it on, put it on booster mode, and it creates these little micro holes, almost like micro needling in your face. So this product can really go deep in your skin. It is the power team, and I have been using it every single day, getting so excited each morning to use it. Both of them are on a really good deal right now. Are you still using the Dyson Airwrap and your curls are falling out after about 5 minutes? This Shark Flex will keep your hair curled for a week. The sale on it is insane. I can do my hair and it will stay curled for a week. I just blow dry my hair until it's almost dry and then use this to finish it off. We're not buying $500 vacuums anymore, right? This vacuum is so affordable. I've gotten rid of all of my other expensive vacuums. I love it because it has lights on the bottom, so you can actually see what you are actually vacuuming of. And even the upholstery attachment has the lights too. But the deal on this vacuum is so good. I could not recommend any other vacuum more.